Diamond Bakery is one of Pune's most popular standalone bakeries, established in 2002. Diamond Bakery uses LPG for its baking ovens to bake all its products, and what it really needs is even temperatures, consistent flames. Like so many other customers in India in the bakery segment, they used conventional vapor offtake cylinders of 19 kgs over a long period of time. This offtake rate of LPG is not enough for Diamond Bakery to run all its baking operations successfully, baking all the number of items that they produce on a daily basis. After getting to know about our latest innovation with the breakthrough features of the technology that the LPGenius has, the owner of Diamond Bakery contacted us and wanted to be the first customer in Pune where the LPGenius would be installed. We thank Diamond Bakery for placing their trust in us, for being the first customers of the LPGenius 10, and also having faith in our ability to do what we do best so that they can do what they do best.